of the year. Days of week. Days of week. Sunday. Sunday. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. And Saturday. And Saturday. The year. Months of the year. January. January. February. February. March. March. June.
April.
April. April. May. June. June. July. July. August. August. September. September. October. October. November. November. And December. And December. Monday.